Well.
So cute.
Okay.
So
It
cute.
should be the other side.
I know, but I have to open this.
Oh yeah. What does he want? Well,
He wants petting,
he
of
thought
course.
it's food or something.
Something like that. Opens like the iPhone. Oh, kitten. Come here. This one inside here. Wow, it's a mechanical key. Oh no, it's not. Maybe it looks like mechanical, but it's not. Wow, it's got some stickers too. Wireless keyboard and mouse set. That means it works with batteries. You shouldn't have bought wireless, because you have to change the batteries all the time. Wow, the mouse looks so interesting. Oh, this one only works with one, and the mouse with two. Wow. Well, you don't want to like it. So cute. It's so small, baby.
I don't need it to be big.
Yeah, I know, but it's so small. It's a baby. Let's put the battery in. This one works with two these ones. Okay. Okay.
It's smooth, yeah. It is.
It's not mechanical. It looks like a mechanical one. Look, this one to clean. And this. Okay, and the mouse has one. Whoa. The mouse. These batteries are cheap. And this one you put it in the laptop. No. So bad this. No, no, no. What's wrong? Why doesn't it stay? Maybe it works now. So let's check it on the laptop. Pause. Pause. Okay. Maybe it doesn't work on this one. Here. See, it works. Refresh. And let's see this one. That's pretty much it.
This is what I wanted to do, like sit like that. Doesn't have to carry the laptop.
The show there, however. Yeah, but you still have to carry this one here.
Yeah.
Okay, here, show a little bit like this. It's not mechanical, but it has a lot of travel.
Mm. Yeah.